Hi dolls, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do your eyebrows perfectly. So now those are some of the stuff that I use. Right now I'm brushing out the eyebrows, then I'll be taking my Anco Pencil to outline the brow. I'm so sorry. So we're starting with the bottom and then we'll outline the top and fill in the rest of the brow. So now we're going back in with the brush to brush out the front of the eyebrows so it looks natural and doesn't have that blunt look. Nobody know on a blunt eyebrow, no box looking eyebrow, that not work. So we're using the pencil to kind of line it more to get a perfect look. So now I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in medium beige to define my eyebrows. So the medium beige is the lighter one. I use that on the bottom of the eyebrow to have it popping more. You can say that, right? Yeah. So at the top of the brow, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso to kind of define the top part of the brows. I don't normally do it because when I put my foundation it kind of messes with it, but I'm doing it for the video. So yeah, defining the top part of the brows. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial guys. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in my next one.